good morning! Andito kami sa Burj Al Arab Hotel. And this is the master's bedroom, yeah? That's the bed. And that's my friend, Miss Karabakan. And can you just point out this one? It's facing in the dagat. Yeah. And oh my god, look at this. It's too pretty. And I really wanted to sleep here. Shh, can I touch it? No. And what else? Where's the bedroom? Ah, the bathroom. The CR. Ooh. What is this? Ta-da! What is this, Direk?
Wardrobe.
Wardrobe. Wow! Can I open it? Oh my god, look at the hanger. The hanger is too big. And the hair dryer. Jesus Christ. And this one also is a wardrobe. Can I get the chanelas for free?
I will give you no problem.
Yeah, it says Burj Al Arab, diba? Can you give us like 10 of that one? Can I give it to Diana and my friend? Oh my god! OMG! Look at this! The jacuzzi! Oh my god! Grabe! And look at this. This is like gold plated, yeah? Can I flush it? No, I don't want to touch it. It's all made on the road. Do you have any bathrobe there extra? It says Burj Al Arab. Okay, thank you. Wow. Is it the Cortina remote control Cortina? Aww. It's so pretty. Magnificent. It's a magic, yeah?
Kasi na, nagsimula na ako. Hayaan mo siya.
What is this? Come to mama. Can you just take all the these? It's very pretty. I know. We're in the middle of the sea. Kaya ganda. Tama na. Gusto ko mag-picture.
Hindi na naman. Hindi ka naman umiinom. Ba't ka naiinom?
If I could change the world, I will be the summer in the universe, baby.